Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got something really cool to share with you today, especially if you're into online marketing, running ads, or managing social media campaigns. I recently got my hands on a tool called Advertmate, and after spending some time exploring it, I knew I had to give you a full breakdown. Now, if you've ever struggled with writing ad copy, designing graphics, figuring out which ad type to use on Facebook or Google, or just felt overwhelmed by the whole advertising process, you're going to find this video super helpful. Advertmate is an AI-powered ad creation software that pretty much takes care of the entire process for you. From brainstorming ad ideas to actually publishing the ads on multiple platforms, it's built to save you time and make ad creation a whole lot easier. When I first logged in, what really stood out to me was how beginner-friendly the dashboard is. You start by selecting your business category, typing in your website, choosing a language, and giving a short description of what your brand or product is about. That's it. Once that's in, Advertmate sets up your workspace and you're ready to dive in. The AI functionality here is actually quite impressive. You just describe your product and what your ad goal is, and it gives you several ad ideas almost instantly. It's not just random suggestions either. It tells you what kind of ads to run, which platforms to use, and what format would work best, whether that's a video for Instagram or a text-heavy lead ad on Facebook. I tested this with one of my own tools, which is a Chrome extension to help boost social media engagement. After I typed in the product description and the goal, Advertmate came up with a campaign strategy that mirrored what I've been manually doing for months. The suggestions it gave matched my actual marketing efforts almost exactly, which was a big moment of validation for me. But it gets better. You can then generate the actual ad copy with just one click. We're talking headlines, primary text, descriptions, and even call-to-action buttons. The copy it generated was clean, clear, and honestly something I could have published without changing a word. Of course, you can tweak it if you want to, but the fact that you don't have to start from scratch is a big win. For visuals, Advertmate comes with a built-in design studio. You can create ad images from scratch or use AI to generate custom graphics. You can even upload your own branding assets and place them onto professionally styled templates. The image generation is surprisingly fast, and the templates cover a wide range of niches from tech and real estate to fitness and consulting. If you prefer to automate everything, you can connect your Facebook, Google, or Instagram accounts directly to Advertmate. Once your accounts are linked, the platform can schedule and publish your ads for you. This means you don't have to log into different ad managers and set things up manually. You can manage everything inside one dashboard. Another thing I found super useful is how the software organizes campaigns into workspaces. So, if you run an agency or manage ads for different clients, each client can have their own workspace with separate campaigns, audiences, and ad creatives. It keeps things really clean and manageable. Speaking of audiences, Advertmate lets you target by location, interests, behavior, device type, language, gender, and age, just like you do in Facebook Ads Manager. But the nice part is it doesn't feel as overwhelming. It guides you step by step and keeps things simple without dumbing anything down. There's also a full analytics section where you can track how your ads are performing once they're running. Right now, I haven't published any live campaigns from this account, but from what I can see, the system supports tracking reach, clicks, and other performance metrics. One thing that stood out is the white label option. If you're the entrepreneurial type, you can actually rebrand Advertmate and sell it as your own software. That's available only during the special launch deal. And honestly, if you're building a SaaS or running a digital product business, that's a pretty tempting offer. And if you're wondering about cost, here's something to keep in mind. Advertmate is currently available as a one-time payment instead of a monthly subscription. That alone makes it worth considering. especially when most ad tools out there are charging monthly fees for fewer features. So yeah, if you're a beginner who wants to run ads without the steep learning curve, or an agency that needs a faster way to build and manage client campaigns, Advertmate is a tool you might want to check out. I had a great experience testing it, and it's clear the developers behind this know what they're doing. They've packed years of ad experience into something that's actually simple and useful. That's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I always love hearing your thoughts and questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.